Welcome, today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap on the sounds and vibrations section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel. Here, by swap with our finger to the left side with this white dot, we can mute our ringtones and also the notifications. But if we'll just mute our notifications by this way, we'll also mute and ringtones. So I suggest you to just go with there another way. So here we got the notification sound, and just you should tap there and switch your currently notification sound. Just do the none, and by this way you can mute only your notifications and stay with the ringtones. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.